So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you an orgasmic breathing technique. This is from Kundalini and Tantra practices utilizing the O mouth breath. It can help us feel more expansive, more alive, and more pleasure through your whole energy body. For this practice, we're going to come to sit onto our heels. If this is difficult for you, I recommend getting a towel or getting a cushion to place on the tops of your feet. And first, we'll just start with utilizing the breath. So for O mouth breath, we're gonna make our lips into this O shape as if we were inhaling through a straw. And then as we inhale at the top, we want to hold the breath in until we really feel like, okay, I can't hold it anymore. I need to release and let go. So let's just focus for the breath first. Inhaling in just like you're inhaling through a straw. At the top, you can close the lips and hold the breath in. Exhale, release. Let's do this 2 more times so you get the breath landed in your body, and then we'll add a bit more on. So straw-like breath, inhaling through the lips. Hold the breath at the top. Relax. Exhale, release when you're ready. Again, O mouth breath. When you feel like you can't hold anymore, release. And so now we're going to layer in the next part of this. And so when you inhale and you hold that breath at the top, if there's any small movements that want to happen in your body, allow it to move. If you don't feel anything, it can be helpful just to tilt the pelvis forward and backward as you're retaining and holding that breath. It can also be helpful to engage Mula Bandha, which is rectum, sex organs, low belly, just to put a tight squeeze on that area of the body. This creates a hydraulic-like lock that compresses the energy and sends it back up. So like that, and just these small hip tilts. So if you haven't done Mula Bandha before, let's practice one time so that you get it when we put it all together. So contract rectum, sex organs, low belly. Hold, doesn't have to be super tight, just that area of the body. The rest can be relaxed. Exhale, release. One more time, tighten. Exhale, release. So now we'll layer it in. Again, O mouth breath, inhale all the way up. Hold at the top. You can put a slight movement into your pelvis and engage Mula Bandha. Keep your body relaxed. We have to relax to get into expansive orgasmic states. When you feel like you can't hold the breath anymore, really relax and let it go. Again, O mouth breath. Hold. Any small hip tilts, engaging Mula Bandha, making that hydraulic lock in your body, and just feel that containment of energy. And if the body wants to move in any subtle or soft ways as you contain the energy, allow it. Once you're finished, exhale out. And now we'll do this for maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I will guide you one more time and then allow you to take off with it on your own so that you can sense it more in your body. So open mouth inhale like a straw. Hold the breath in. Any small hip tilts, engage Mula Bandha. Exhale, let it go when you're ready. And then practice a bit more on your own. And you don't want to hold the breath until you feel too lightheaded. You might want to feel a little bit lighter, but not so that you feel there's too much pressure or that you might faint. Find out what balance is right for you and how long it feels good to hold the breath in. And if you want to make it a little bit more intense, you can put a little bit more hip tilt with it, tilting forward as you inhale, and exhale, just letting it soften. And let's take 2 more rounds together. Last one. Exhale, release. Now, if you'd like to continue with this practice, I recommend setting an alarm for maybe 5 minutes or so and really exploring where you can go in your energetic body and what you can receive through this practice. If you're ever curious to explore energy more, I offer online Kundalini activation sessions each month. So you can join me from anywhere in the world to experience a full energy activation and increase your orgasmic potential.